This package holds one of a kind of a product which was sent to me for review. Alright, let's open the seal and see what's inside the box. I am super excited to see what's inside the box. Wow. It's a bit heavy. It's BUGAni Brief Pro Bluetooth speaker. Honestly, I have never heard about this brand, but let's do the review and see how does it perform. Let's jump into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my name is Srini. This channel is all about first impression and overview of the product. So if you like such kind of content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So today we are going to test BUGAni Brief Pro, a rugged Bluetooth speaker that promises high sound quality, durability and style. But does that actually live up to the hype? Let's find out. Before we dive into too much of detail, let me just tell you this video is made in collaboration with BUGAni. The team from BUGAni did send me this unit for testing and review purpose. I am allowed to keep this unit and no money exchanged. Also, the review and thoughts are all on my own. I had also shared the link in the description. Now let's take a look about the packaging. The BUGAni Brief Pro comes in a clean and minimal package with a bold image of the speaker at one end and no flashy distractions, just the essentials. On one side, you will see all the key specs highlighted of the feature, things like Bluetooth, playback time, and IP rating for waterproofing. So you exactly know what you're getting it before opening the box. BUGAni has clearly designed this packaging with durability and simplicity in mind. It's not overdone, but it gets the job done, just like the speaker itself. For those who are not familiar with BUGAni, BUGAni is a consumer electronic brand that focuses on affordable, rugged audio gears. BUGAni was established in 2017 and they are dedicated in providing high sound quality systems, headphones, and other audio products to global customers. BUGAni's mission is to provide best audio experience to its users at the best price through continued innovation and excellent design. Talking about the design inspiration behind BUGAni speakers draws heavily from the world of luxury cars, where precision, engineering, aesthetics, and performance all meet at the same point. In short, they aim to give premium features without premium price tag. While they don't have the same brand recognition as JBL or Sony, but BUGAni has slowly built a reputation online for delivering surprisingly powerful sound at a budget-friendly price point. Inside the box everything is neatly arranged and well protected. Inside the box you will get a USB Type-C cable, a aux cable and bunch of documentation, and you'll get the BUGAni Brief Pro Bluetooth speaker. It is simple but effective and no extra frills. And honestly, all the essentials are here. And I like the way they have also included the aux cable in the box. Firstly, with the design, the Brief Pro is solid, portable for everywhere use, and it feels premium. And also, it is a bit of heavy in a good way. Now, let's talk about the features of this BUGAni Brief Pro Bluetooth speaker. So, connection is pretty simple. Turn the speaker on, turn on the Bluetooth in your phone, pair it, and it get instantly connected. And after that, enjoy the high resolution audio with 160 watt stereo output and deep bass. It comes to 4 inches subwoofer and two 1.6 inch tweeters. It also has a good battery with 12-hour long playback. With normal volume, you can play up to 12 hours, and with high volume, you can play up to 4 hours. It also has IPX5 rating for waterproofing. For connectivity, it uses Bluetooth 5.3 and also it uses aux. It also has TWS, which is true wireless stereo pairing, which means you can enjoy sound with two speakers paired. I like the craftsmanship in every detail, especially the knob, which is made with champagne gold diamond cutting process. It looks classy and add luxury to the look. It's rugged, portable design, perfect for camping, poolside, and parties. Alright, that's enough. Now let's talk about the sound. The Brief Pro is surprisingly loud for its size, with rich bass and crisp high. So here is a real world sound test.
Everybody know that they kill it.
Honestly, I don't know how much you can hear with this video. However, the sound is very loud. So here what I love and what could have been better. For the pros, it has luxury look. It's loud and clear audio. It's rugged and waterproof and has long battery life. And for the con, unfortunately, there is no app to control the Bluetooth speaker. It would have been good if they would have given an app to control the settings of the Bluetooth speaker. And the buttons I found a bit of stiff, and also I felt sometimes the bass can distract at max volume. I think it might be a particular music which I'm playing. However, I tried in other music and it works fine. So final thought, for $189, which is not a small amount, but BUGAni Brief Pro is worth the value. If you need a speaker which can handle adventure and bring noise, this one is worth in your playlist. I have also shared the link in the description. So friends, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. And drop a comment if you have tried the BUGAni Brief Pro speaker or you need a comparison video. So friends, turn up the volume and I will see you in the next one.